Let me tell you something that most people don't realize until it's too late. The entire future can change because of one small decision, one conversation, one idea, one skill that you decide to learn. There's actually a scientific concept that explains this. It's called the butterfly effect. And today, I wanted to show you how something incredibly small, something that takes just 2 hours a day, can completely change your financial future after 50. Because if you're anything like me, there's probably been a moment in your life where you looked at your retirement and thought, how did I get this far and still feel so unprepared? And in a few moments, I'm going to share the exact moment that I realized that something had to change and how one small decision started a ripple effect that completely changed the direction of my future. But first, let's talk about the butterfly effect. What the butterfly effect really means. The butterfly effect is the idea that small actions can create massive consequences over time. The term came from a meteorologist named Edward Lorenz. He discovered that in complex systems like weather, even a tiny change in starting conditions could produce completely different outcomes. The famous example that people use is this: a butterfly flaps its wings in Brazil, and weeks later, a tornado forms in Texas. Now, obviously, the butterfly didn't literally create the tornado, but what Lorenz was explaining is that small inputs can ripple outward and create enormous results. Tiny causes, massive outcomes. And when you really think about it, that idea applies to almost every area of life: your health, your relationships, your finances, even your career, and especially your retirement. Why this matters so much after 50. So here's something that people over 50 quietly worry about: time. You start realizing that the clock is ticking faster than you expected. You look at your retirement accounts, you look at the cost of living, and suddenly the math doesn't feel as comfortable as it once did. Now, in my case, my situation may be a little different than yours. I was out of the workforce for close to 20 years raising a medically fragile child. That meant that while other people were building their retirement savings and their careers, I was doing something far more important for my family. But the financial consequences of that decision showed up later on. Because when I finally looked at my retirement picture, I realized something that hit me like a ton of bricks. I was short on retirement. Not because I didn't work hard, because I tried multiple things online while I was taking care of my kids. Not because I made irresponsible decisions, but because life just happened. Caregiving happened, unexpected seasons happened. And then suddenly you're looking at the future wondering how you're going to make the numbers work. I remember the moment that realization really did hit me. My first grandson was born, and holding him in my arms should have been one of the happiest moments of my life. And it was, but something else crept in at the same time: a quiet thought. I started wondering, would I still be working when he was a teenager? Would I still be asking for vacation days when he graduated high school? Would I have the freedom to travel with my grandchildren? Or would I still be trading my time for a paycheck? That moment changed everything inside me because I realized that if nothing changed, nothing would change. And that's when the butterfly effect started working in my life. Not because something massive happened, but because I made one small decision. So, the one small decision that started everything. Back in September of 2024, I came across something called Digital Income Blueprint. Now, to be honest with you, I wasn't looking for an online business. I had owned traditional businesses before. I knew something about them. They're a lot of work. They take years to get profitable, 3 years if you're lucky, maybe more. So, when I first saw the idea of building income online, I was a little skeptical. I had also purchased other online programs in the past that turned out to be nothing more than a PDF and a bunch of empty promises. So, I was cautious. But something about this system was different. It was very structured. It had real training, there was live coaching, and it shows people exactly how to build digital income step by step. And you don't need to be tech savvy. And I thought to myself, what if I just gave it a try? Maybe not even forever, just long enough to see if it worked. That one decision was my butterfly moment, the first ripple. Now, here's the interesting thing about the butterfly effect. The first action usually looks very small. In my case, it was simply learning a new skill, digital marketing. Social media works, learning how to attract people instead of chasing them, learning how to create content that actually helps people, learning how to build an email list. None of those things seemed like they would dramatically change my life. But each skill created another ripple, then another ripple, and then another ripple. Because the moment you start learning a skill, that can generate income online. Something interesting happens. You stop depending entirely on one source of money, the paycheck problem. Most people live their entire lives with only one income, a paycheck. And here's the problem with that: your paycheck is active income, meaning the moment you stop working, it will stop. Now, for decades, that model worked reasonably well, but today, things have changed. Costs have exploded. There's housing, groceries, insurance, travel, healthcare, and suddenly a traditional retirement plan feels more fragile because many people are realizing something uncomfortable. Their retirement income may not grow the way their expenses will. That creates a lot of pressure. But when you begin building digital income streams, something shifts. Why digital income changes everything. Digital income has a very different structure. Once the system is built, they can run 24 hours a day. Your content works while you sleep. Your email grows while you live your life. Your business continues operating even when you're not sitting in front of a computer. Now, that doesn't mean it's magic. There is work involved. But here's the part that surprised me: the core income activities only take about 2 hours a day. 2 hours. That's less time than people spend watching TV. And those 2 hours can completely change the trajectory of your retirement. That's the butterfly effect. Small actions, massive long term outcomes. The compound effect of small actions. So let's look at this another way. Imagine you decided to plant a tree today. It's tiny, it's barely noticeable, but over the years it grows and eventually it produces fruit. Digital skills work the same way. Your first video might get 50 views. Your second video might get 100. Then suddenly one video will get 10,000 views, then 100,000 views, because algorithms reward consistency and your content starts compounding. Now imagine that same consistency applied to your finances. Instead of relying on one paycheck, you have multiple streams of income: digital products, affiliate partnerships, community memberships, content review, and suddenly your financial picture starts to look very different. The real reason most people don't start. Now, I want to address the real reason that many people never experience the butterfly effect in their lives: fear. Fear of technology, fear of looking silly online, fear that they'll make mistakes. And I understand that fear because when I first started, I was terrified of being on camera. I was awful. I thought people would judge me. Maybe they did, but now I don't care. I thought I would say the wrong thing. I thought I would look foolish. But something interesting happened when you start anyway. The fear fades, confidence grows, and the skills become second nature. So, why midlifers have a massive advantage? Here's something that most people completely overlook. People over 50 actually have a huge advantage in the digital world. They have experience. You have decades of life experience. You have problem solving skills, stories to tell, you have wisdom, and people online are searching for exactly that. They're searching for authenticity. They're searching for people who have actually lived life. They're searching for people who understand real challenges. And that's something younger creators often can't offer yet, which means a very thing many midlifers think is a disadvantage is actually their greatest strength. The snowball effect of learning digital skills. Once you learn one digital skill, more opportunities appear. You learn content creation, then you learn audience building, and then you learn automation, and then you learn how to build communities. You'll also learn how to monetize your knowledge. And then suddenly something interesting happens. You're no longer limited by geography or age or traditional job markets. You have the ability to create income from anywhere. And that's the real power of the butterfly effect. Imagine this scenario. Imagine two people at 50 years of age. One decides to do nothing different. They continue working, saving what they can, hoping the numbers work out. The other decides to learn one new skill: digital marketing. They spend 2 hours a day learning and applying what they learn. At first, the progress seems small, but 5 years later, their life looks completely different. One small decision, massively different outcomes. The ripple that reaches your family. Here's something else people often forget. Your financial decisions affect more than just you. They affect your children, your grandchildren, your family's future. For me, that realization came very personal. I didn't want to become a financial burden on my children later on in life. I wanted to be the nana that could say yes to experiences, yes to travel, yes for time together, yes, creating memories. And that's why I believe learning digital skills after 50 is one of the most powerful decisions that someone can make because it gives you options. It'll give you freedom and flexibility and peace of mind. So let's talk about the truth about changing your future. Changing your future rarely happens because of one giant leap. It happens because of many small decisions made consistently over time. Posting one video, learning one new skill, helping one person, building one system. And eventually, those small actions create massive momentum. That's the butterfly effect. So here's my message to you. If you're over 50 and you've been quietly worrying about retirement, I want you to hear this very clearly. It's not too late for you. Your future can change with one decision, one skill, one step forward. Because the moment that you start building digital skills, you create options for yourself that didn't exist before. And those options can completely transform your retirement. If you're serious about learning how this works, I've created something to help you get started. You can grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint. It's down in the description below. It walks you through the exact system that I'm using to build digital income online. And if you want support along the way, you can also join my Retirement Freedom Seekers community. The link is also mentioned down below in the description. That's where midlifers like you are learning these skills together and encouraging each other along the way. Because the truth is, you don't have to build this alone. And remember this, somewhere in the world right now, someone is making a small decision, a tiny step, something that doesn't look important today, but years from now, that moment will be the reason their life looks completely different. A butterfly flapping its wings, a ripple starting to move. And the only question is, will that ripple start with you